ololololo ngwa kpọrọ ụnụ m Fada Kelvin Ugwu kpọrọ ụnụ Fada Kelvin Ugwu ịma na m gwara ụnụ ọkwa ifuru ụnụ for the hate of evangelist Ebuka Obi ụfọdụ n'ime ụnụ ya eji wee n'onwe ụnụ n'iyi mana ụnụ amaghọ njekwa ibu ndị mmadụ asị m ezugo n'ọkwa Fada touch not my anointed and do my prophet no harm ọ na-afịọ ezugo m aka isi agwa Fada okwu n'ọkwa Fada echiri echichi m amaghị ife mma akpọ akpọ na ife a na-eto onwe ha ule all the while eji wee nwee spiritual fathers ndị na-ebu amụma ndị na-eme ha kpee ekpere na their ministry enwe miracle. So enwegasị ndị spiritual fathers ndị na-ekpe ekpere na-ebu amụma na-ekpe ekpere a na-enwe healing church na-egro but for the akpọmasị ụnụ kpọrọ evangelist Ebuka Obi ọnya ka ndị dụka Fada Kelvin Ugwu ha name them ịghọtago ka ha ncha niile si wee master wee chọzie ka ha reduce church to a social club after the crusade. Na ife Fada Kelvin Ugwu dere first of all o dere so at the end of the day prayers that deny reality rather than confront it will always disappoint, not because God is wicked but because God does not suspend the order of reality to flatter our fears. If we get governance right, if we can vote and our votes are counted, if we can massively hold our leaders to account, all the prayer intentions we gather to shout and sweat about will vanish. If we can't do this, pray all you like, nothing will change. Osekwa, mention one thing you prayed for or prayed against in that crusade that is not linked to bad governance. Mention one, just one. Now, based on the Nkokuru, Osrego, so at the end of the day, prayers that deny reality rather than confront it will always disappoint, not because God is wicked, but because God does not suspend the order of reality to flatter our fears. You know, for the akpọmasị or for the fact that na iwere iwe na-achụ oke wee su ibe gị ọkụ oke ahụ nwere ike ịgbafuo ịghọtago you find out that na inwere ozi a roof over your head ịghọta ife mkwuru ife a ka nkọwara gị ka iwee ghọta. For the sake of akpọmasị ụnụ kpọrọ evangelist Ebuka Obi because na ụnụ filuru na ọdọkọsịrị crowd ụnụ or because na ụnụ filuru na ego ndị chọọchị supposed ide enweta na ọ na-enweta or because of personal jealousy unu nwere n'ebe ọ nọ. You decided to join the preachings of Matthias, which is reality, right? Or if you want to teach us about reality, Father Kelvin. Well, if you want to teach us about reality, Father Kelvin, you will first of all recognize the fact that because of this so and so things, if you know about people, they pray to God, that you now concur with Matthias, that no was scam, no wayo, no supposed to rain because now prayer doesn't work. And if prayer doesn't work, I don't know what you are doing. Wearing that up in number one, can you tell me your duty? What is your role as a man? You are a fellow man like me. That is the reality. The reality is that Nanguma Father Kelvin is a man just like me. And now if care is not taken, one-on-one, because how else, what else can people respect you if not because of that God? If not because now people believe that spiritually you are placed high than every other woman. The reality of Father I want to know the reality of that Father. Let us talk about reality now. But I do 45 years, do 50 something years, do 60 something years. Our Father is that. The reality is that no those are the realities we will first of all face. Then we will know that na akwa hi na suppose ije ibu akwa yile akwa bulu if follow bana building materials je cholo na ma cholo or certificate go bagaria je cholo. The reality is not that na dimpa hakaro ya donana or will go congregation le wutaka ije nyegu ni. The reality is not that na ya no or will ndem madu je lo cholo he will na feed dimpa madu adoka. The reality of this life is that na dimpa wona suppose to ije lo we put food on your table. Community is not supposed to be feeding you. The church is not supposed to be feeding you. Those people in our church, the reality. They are not supposed to be feeding you. That is not the reality. The best reality I want to tell you is that no, and for the fact that that is another reality. The reality is that na God can work and no ya happen. Na ya happen. How one Yes, always say, in fact, let us even stop talking about scripture, because when we want to talk about reality now, we should keep scripture away. You cannot take one from scripture, then you leave the other one. Because with the faith in mountain, what it means is that our God is capable of doing everything. With faith, He can do everything. But since you are taking away that part of the scripture and you are bringing reality, let us talk about reality. The reality of the fact is that no, Mr. Okeke na Mr. Mbolio, na Mrs. Mbolio, Noluti na Munye, where to him, therefore, they supposed to call him one, to him. That is how succession continues. So I don't know why some of you reverend fathers you feel know that the God who dedicate dedicate your entire to serve is not capable of doing anything. Then what is the essence of that sacrifice? We are talking about reality. Let us not get it twisted here. Talking about reality here is that you should go and get married. It is the reality of every man that you should get married. Because no matter the reality is that so why he end that succession pattern? Because of what? It is a reality. Remember the reality that as a man is supposed to but people are not feeding you. Yeah? People are not feeding you. You are supposed to go out there and walk. Go and walk. Community are supposed to eat, they feed you. The mother are supposed to eat, they feed you. You should walk and walk. It is another reality. And they do not entertain father. That is not the reality of life. The reality of life is that you should respect elders. You should respect elders or order of Bible by the fact that we are Christians. By the fact that we are Christians, that is why we even overlook that reality part of Nagona yet. Yeah, because of who we are as Christians, because of what we believe as Christians. Father for what? Don't you know the meaning of father? Don't you know the dictionary meaning of father? I call him with they preach that gospel. Yet that same gospel will feed you. That same gospel will make you feel today. After simply because you want to get to evangelize. His crusade is the only crusade today came on. Why can't you speak to your fellow reverend fathers? And then they host to crusade. Spiritual program that now without bad governance, not supposed to them. Call them by name. You are not calling them. You are only targeting evangelist Kobe. And they make if I should go with the message of reality on a preach, the reality of the fact, in the reality of life, so if I should overlook reality, even major father, is he my father? I'm a woman. Even father, if I should face reality, you want to start preaching with Matthias. The more Matthias will bring the end to whatever thing he believes in. He bring the end to that same father about. He bring the end to everything that has to do with you. He bring the end to if you move. Because under man to move forward with the message of reality. You should go and look for what you will do as a man. Will you feed yourself? Go and get married. That is the reality of life. That is not the dream of any man. And you evangelist because be destroy show one. Will okay. We'll see you now. Mbaka yemucha oga agbafelu ishi gata kwazike na bo na the house ifunu na hisi lokwa na osie e watago okaka nka nya hakudu no na ana ekwugeri